Ah, yes, we meet again once more. And this time so that the Pinchy can send you far, far into the future. Are you ready to travel the time, Skylander? Hey, all right. The Da Vinci now send you into the future to stop the evil wolf gang. Just hold real still here, please. Oh no! The future of Skylands look not so good. No one was around to stop the wolf gang from taking over when he arrived. Now he's building the ultimate speaker, the big bad woofer, which is so loud it makes everything blow up. You see what I mean? No good! You must stop the wolf gang and return him to the present, which is actually the past. Oh, this time travel is so confusing.
What? Did you say something? Sorry, but I can barely hear after that last sound check. They're getting louder and louder, you know? Nice retro look you've got going on there, stranger. And say, aren't you some kind of hero? Gosh, that's the best news I've heard all day. Although, I haven't really heard much of anything. Not with all this noise. Hey! Maybe you can help us get rid of Wolfgang and that big bad woofer he's building. Watch out for his guards, though. They are even less friendly than they look.
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone. Step right up, stranger. Thank you for choosing Future Cab, the taxi of tomorrow, today. Step right this way. In these times of oppression and hopelessness, I know just what Skylands needs. Ice cream! And I'm selling it. Problem is, I have no customers. What I need is advertising. Long ago, there lived a rage mage who was supposedly the best pitchman in the business. So good, he could sell ice cream in the future, they all said. If you happen to run into him, tell him to stop by so we can see if the rumors are true.
Rage Mage.
Space time! It's you! Can't believe you're actually here! I suppose you know all about my failing ice cream business and need for advertising. Word is that you are so good that you could sell ice cream in the future. Well, let's see it then. What? That's it? That's the stroke of advertising genius that all the history books talk about? Wait a minute. You are a genius. Please disregard my previous comment and take this reward. In fact, I am even going to send ice cream back in time so you can enjoy my sundaes in your own present day.
A victory for Rage Mate!
Oh, can't wait to see the look. I hear the Mabu Defense Force 9000.
Thank you for choosing taxi of tomorrow, today. We've arrived at our destination.
Thank you for choosing Future Cab.
Going up.
Villains are stronger.
Cut it out. Oh, yeah.
Oh, can't wait to see the look on Wolfgang's ugly face.
Thank you for choosing Future Cab, the taxi of tomorrow, today. We've arrived at our destination. Thank you for choosing Future Cab.
Hey, big stranger! Say,
stop
you
the
haven't seen
chop.
Wolfgang, have you? I know he's not our emperor anymore. Woohoo for that! But a situation has popped up that only he can solve. It involves using this vacuum droid to capture an ever-growing army of rabid imps. Should be a lot of fun, and on top of that, totally critical to the survival of our known universe.
Thank you for choosing Future Cab. Now, if you look to your left, you will notice that this bustling observatory is now home to the Big Bad Woofer, the largest and most destructive speaker in Skylands, which Emperor Wolfgang plans to use to control the minds of many unsuspecting innocent civilians.
Oh, yeah. You got axed.
That's some nice fighting back there, stranger. We could use someone like you in the Resistance. Come on, I'll take you to meet our undercover operative.
Uh-oh. I don't think that alarm blaring is a good thing.
We're caught in some grabber beam. Quick, do something to break its hold. Anything. Wow, you're good! Now let's get moving before more of those grabbers grab us. We made it! Now just meet up with our next operative, Zeta Blobbers. He should be somewhere around here, and we'll approach you with the code word, Off. Whoa! Oh, yeah! Knock on wood! You got
Pop! Oh, that's a code word, by the way. Well, one of them was. The other was an actual cough. Anyway, I can get you inside the big bad woofer, but of course, only if you follow me. Pop! That was also a cough. That is some good switch flipping. Oh no, you've been caught in the Atom Smasher! Don't worry, happens to the best of us sometimes. I'll find a way to get you out. But in the meantime, just try not to get crushed. Keep destroying those atoms. I'll get this shut down. Eventually. Keep destroying those atoms. I'll get this shut down. Eventually.
You got that. Up high.
Okay, now all you gotta do is walk through that Atom Smasher over there. Seems safe enough, right?
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this element.
See the light.
Right now, right now, right now! The Big Bad Wolfer is about to take off and broadcast the loudest concert in history! All throughout the Skyland!
Illuminating.
A worthy feat!
Enemy control sequence complete.
Blaster drawn. Feeling stronger.
New sequence.
Blastertron defeated.
Put a light trap in the portal to trap this villain.
No need to engage your processing circuits. I have already run the numbers and taking me is the only logical choice. Initiate counter sequence now.
Blastertron trapped.
Tag detected.
With 1.21 crazy watts of musical mayhem, you won't believe your ears.
A guiding light. right side. Outshining the rest.
It's crush hour. Yes,
Level up.
rockets. Reform.
Sports ring finger, you did it! You found the blueprints! Now all we gotta do is destroy the power conduits from the outside.
Right now, right now, right now! The Big Bad Woofer is about to take off and broadcast the loudest concert in history! All throughout the Skylands!
Uh-oh! That means we gotta get off of this thing and into our ship! Fast! That was pretty fast.
Okay, Skylands, let's rock!
According to these blueprints, all we need to do is destroy the power conduits which power the Big Bad Woofer. So let's do that. Okay, Skylander, time to start shooting. Just blast through those force fields. Space hippie! You're doing it, Skylander. Ha! Without power, Wolfgang's Big Bad Woofer is gonna be a little not-so-bad woofer in no time. Dumping earlobe! Nice shot! To shoot those conduits! Space hippie! You're doing it, Skylander! The only way to stop this concert is to pull the plug. And since we can't literally pull the plug, shoot it. And would you believe it? Taking out these conduits is even harder than the last group. Looks like they've figured out how to repair their force field. Be careful, Skylander! I don't think this ship is meant to be hit that much. Space hippie! You're doing it, Skylander! We've shut down the Big Bad Woofer's power supply, and the concert is canceled! We did it! Huzzah! I guess there's still the matter of capturing Emperor Wolfgang. I'll leave that to you, though. He, terrifies me.
Well, well, well. Look who's managed to attend my big concert. Some 10,000 years into the future. You know, Skylander, we don't have to fight. Together, we could rule this place. There's no chaos, no Doom Raiders, and you can get pizza here in 30 seconds or less. Nah, let's just fight instead.
Wolfgang. Yeah!
Take that! Now if you'll just hold still.
Oh, yeah!
Pop smash!
Reform. Yeah! Yes! Reform. Reform. Oh, yeah!
just hold still.
Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Take that!
Yes!
Hop smash! Now you'll just hold still. The motion of the potion! Take that! Hop smash! Now you'll just hold still. Funny thing about the future, Skylander, stuff from the past keeps coming back into style. Take that!
Don't try this at home, kids.
Hop smash! Now you'll just hold still.
One strike and you're out! A shower of power!
Take that! Now you'll just hold still. Hop smash!
Try on! Splendid!
Probably wondering when the laser light portion of this concert is going to take place. How about now? A symphony of pain! Orchestrate the hate! Super!
Cut to the chase!
Take that! A symphony of pain!
Wolfgang defeated.
Put an undead.
Stick around for the encore!
Wolfgang trapped.
Dum-de-dum-dum-dum-dum. Future Post Delivery Service package for the Golden Queen. Uh-oh, I must have gone back too far.
No, you're in the right place.
Great! At Future Post we say we will travel very far, or we'll deliver it today when you order it tomorrow. Here's your cheese. It smells worse than anything in Skylands, and I wasn't even programmed to smell. Or love. Dum-de-dum-dum-dum-dum.
Attention, all Skylands! It is I, your magnificent queen. I would like to take this opportunity to present the 3 golden rules that I now expect all of you to follow. Rule number 1. All Skylanders must surrender to me immediately and release my fellow Doom Raiders. Rule number 2. All gold in Skylands must be delivered to me as fitting tribute. And rule number 3. I reserve the royal right to make up an infinite number of more rules! And, just in case, let me show you what will happen if you break any of my rules!
Oh no, another setback for the Pinchy.
Now I've got Skylands right where I want it.
Great! You fools really blew it this time. Her royal lowness now has all of Skylands and us totally at her mercy. Oh, why were things never this easy for me?
We're not licked yet. We just gotta stop that Golden Queen before she has a chance to make good on her threats. Any idea where she might be, smart guy?
Don't be ridiculous. She's far too clever for that. She keeps her stupid temple in some stupid secret location so no one can steal any of her stupid gold.
That's it. Gold!
What? What are you blabbing about?
Look here, Shorty. There's a legendary gang of air pirates who live way up in the Sky Highlands. They've got this magic prism that can point the way to extremely large deposits of gold. A real time saver when it comes to plundering.
Right. And since Queenie there is totally made out of gold, that piratey plunder prism should lead us right to her. Boom! Let's go there now.
Well, there's just one little problemo there, Flynn. To get all the way up to the Sky Highlands, we're gonna need a big rocket.
Boom withdrawn. Where are we gonna get a big rocket?
I think I know just the place. Skylander, when you're ready, come see me and Captain Flynn.